Hey y'all, how's it going there, everybody? Yeah, I'm just happen to be in the gym, probably just shooting a little bit of hoops and all that, shoot around some free throws, and stuff like that for a workout. So let's get right into it here. Why it's fresh on my mind. I seen this article right here, and I just have to have enough sympathy to let it out. You guys, y'all all know him, okay? That wedding dress wearing young thug, okay? But well, just put it like this. This didn't happen to him. This happened to his baby's mother. This young lady, Latavia Jackson, 31 years old. This happened in Atlanta just recently. I don't know, the last day or few days, whatever. All right, and I want to credit JD Black for it popped up on my phone as soon as I came in the gym, and I wanted to put my little 2 cents in. Brilliant job that you did on that article, sir. Yeah, but this woman was killed by some simp-ass boyfriend. All right, after some altercation over a damn bowling ball in a bowling alley out there in Southwest Atlanta. All right. Speaking of which, that was a good point that the homicides in Atlanta went up like 41%. Hey, I guess the wolves got to eat. The stimulus quit coming out, so hey, people trying to do dumb shit like rob people and all that. All right. So be careful, guys. If you have a little something, be humble, please. Do not flash. You know what I'm saying? Do not flaunt it. Because remember, he who giveth is he who taketh away. All right, but back to the article. So I'm saying this off the top of my head. So I guess apparently there was a group there. Her and this guy, Miss Jackson, and some guy that he was seeing, or I don't know what they. In fact, whether they were friends or what. But there was supposed to have been an argument ensued. Then a physical altercation, okay? Right now, it's uncertain of who had that altercation, whether it was Jackson or that guy, or maybe he had the guy that, had an altercation with another guy there at the bowling alley. But as a result, the guy had waited for something like, 20 minutes for them to come out, and he popped this woman up, all right? Just deaded her. Okay, like she was a damn dog. Okay? Young thug, I think that he was very sympathetic. He's got 6 children, so I guess the children with her. I don't know if she has all the children with him or what. Okay, but basically results on these children, somebody else having to take care of these children, all right? And the children is going to be without their mother, okay? At least they have their father, but they need that nurture from their mother. All right, and now she's gone now over some BS. All right. Now hey, hey, every man may get a little bit emotional or whatever. Okay. I don't know if it's one of the things again if maybe hey she didn't want to deal with him for whatever reason or what. All right. Maybe there was just a disagreement ensued, but I would just think that if there was a fight broke out in that bowling alley, it had to be something pretty serious, okay? I mean, something beyond a damn bowling ball, okay? Things must have had built up to a certain point to where there had to be a fight now. Young Thug had mentioned that, that they talked about conflict resolution and so forth, so that probably goes to show that with this woman, this wasn't, her first rodeo, maybe if she fell out with a guy, you know what I'm saying, to get that pissed off, for him to be that pissed off. But nevertheless, ain't no man should get pissed off where he's ready to put his hands on a woman or he's ready to shoot some woman, okay? I do believe in self-defense, but that time, all right, that he initiated, that guy who shot that woman initiated the contact. I guess Young Thug had put out a statement saying, we know who you are, go turn yourself in. So I guess it's a matter of time until the Atlanta police runs into this guy, okay? And they will find him. It's just a matter of time, all right? So, you know, it's one of the things that's really, really sad incident, all right? You know, but you got a mother, you know, they end up dying over some damn emotion-ass, pretty much female in a man's body, all right? I'll just call him just a simp-ass male, all right, to get that pissed off, all right? And I'll say it like this, it's not worth your life, all right? And I'm just thinking, guys, if you put your hand on a woman, if you my age or whatever, okay, I got a few grays on me, all right, especially if you hurt her real bad, I don't think that you're going to outlive the sentence that they're going to give to you, all right? So let me know what you think about the video there. Thank you for your time, all right? Stay tuned for the next video. Feel free to subscribe. Cash App, $, Winston Spivey if you want to donate.